hope you're really enjoying it as much as we do. We are going to do the fourth nails design today. Here for 60 seconds. I'm just using. Hi Gracie, how are you? Tina, Whitney, April, hey, thank you so much, lady. Adriana, Fire God, yes Murray, Roy. It's a lot of you. Is Baby Ray. Hello, how are you? Mika. Hey, Dazzle Digits, how are you? We tried to send a message to you. Fusioning dragon scale and crystal together. Okay, we'll get all in one place. Let's do that. We can that one. So we're gonna do this one in the different designs because I'm trying to get the purple one to being in a theme with this, because you see that purple this. And if you miss this, the live video earlier, you can always be watching them. And I did shades how you doing really basics ombre blend, ombre sideways blend it together from this, literally from this two bottle, and no need other brushes at all. If you have two of these colors opaque similar, you can do that. And I if after we're done with the face with the live, I can show it again, so you can do with so many different colors. Really simple, easy, no challenge. I am going to probably using Feeling Blue. I have right here. We'll see how it challenges me to be Feeling Blue. Oh, it looks really blue though. You can do more than just one coat. I'm doing it more than that. Good. Let it dry. You still see wet. So in the meantime, I let it dry. I am going to prepare to get my crystal clear and a piece of paper, so then I can able to show you the basic marble. You can do more than just one colors, but it's gonna be the same technique if you want to do like a one colors. Maybe I should do that. Should I do passionate? They are really pigmented, so it doesn't matter whatever you want to put it in there. Oh, okay. I just want to try see how it is. It's kind of really blending it out. If you want, you can do the passionate first and then Feeling Blue. But it doesn't matter. It looks really good as well. I'm showing you techniques. This is all you need if you have one of our fusion ink, and this is one of really cool solutions for that to help you create perfect fusioning. Okay, so basically I'm wipe up on most of my solutions on my brush, so then I don't have too much, and wipe it up. Make sure you wipe it off first so you're taking your like contaminating colors back into your bottles. You can see I'm just keep wiping it off. And again, basically wipe most of your crystal clear. So in your brushes have just little, it's not too much. You can see you can create the veins is so much easier. We have a lot of questions we're asking how can they able to do the fusioning without bleedings and too much, or sometimes they get in all the colors they couldn't control it all. So I said it's easy, is less is more. And if you want to create the veins, basically you have a good solution. It's not too much of alcohol, not too much acetone, because too much alcohol is gonna bleeding it, because basically it's still in the alcohol base, you know. So then it's gonna really blend and bleeding all your colors together. And too much acetone is gonna just like really clean off of your veins and the color together. So it looks really good already, but I'm gonna using a little bit and blend this one out to make it looks more natural. Great. Looks good. Okay, so now we are going to put some black colors on it, black painting gels and gold painting gels. I have my set of gel painting. Right here. I need the gold gel painting. Same thing, using my jet black and twin tip brush. I would touch it, give it a little bit like I think it's you able to check it out like a 40 colors separate, singles, individual, as well as gel painting. I feel like I'm a Sarah right now, Sarah. Just like so artistic. You know, I can't wait to see every single lady like they will get bins. We got an opportunity to see a lot of you with beautiful works, and thanks so much for sharing with us. We're so happy to see all of you really enjoying it, and we inspire from each other. Great. I'm gonna cue it for 60 seconds. You can flash cue it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going from this awesome jet black, love it, so pigmented, to wipe it off. Let me show you how I clean that brush before I move to the next one. I have my no wipe top coat here, one drop, and just swirl my brush. Is release all that excess gel painting, wipe it off, clean, cap on if you don't want to use it anymore. This is so awesome. So pigmented. This is Golden Touch. And I just layer right on the top of the gold, of the black, I'm sorry. Just kind of make it like more dimensionals. And then also you can use it in the chamfer foil. Chamfer foil is so much fun to do it as well. Here for 30 seconds. Flash here. I just using my Golden Touch, cleans my brush again and wipe it off. Caps on, so I can switch to the other side so I can do the crystal placement. Oh, we didn't do this guide. Should we do it now or should we do it tomorrow? Well, if it now, then it's gonna cover our fusionings. Look, we do it tomorrow, okay? Everyone, I promise, gonna have it on the side right here so I remember. Looking stunning. Trying to get this. No, that is this one.